Hey guys, this is Gersten with Shalom G Construction with another video. This is an old cottage house over 100 years in Walpole Ma. Tear it down and we are going to rebuild it, okay, but a little bigger. Super old. This used to belong to the church. The story tells that they used to store bodies in this little crawl space under here. I don't know. But as you can see, bathroom, toilet still here. Very old studs. The chimney's still up. I don't know how, but there's still a little room there. I will make more videos and show you guys. That's the church there. Pretty interesting. The gate so they could come through. It's right there. And this is the crawl space, you know. Alright, thanks for watching. Please don't forget the thumbs up and we'll talk again soon. I'll post another video soon when it's all gone and during the excavation. Thanks.